We have seen inequalities represented on a number line. Consider the inequality x is greater than 2. We can represent this with a circle at 2 and an arrow extending to the right. Note this is a blank circle indicating that 2 itself is not included. Had the inequality been x is greater than or equal to 2, this would have been a filled-in circle. Note that the number line is separated into 3 regions just here. Exactly here is where x is equal to 2. To the right is where x is greater than 2, and to the left is where x is less than 2. Inequalities can also be represented on a plane graph. Consider here that we want to represent x is equal to 2. We know that x equals 2 is a vertical straight line going through 2 on the x-axis. We should always label lines that we draw. If we go to the right of this line, look at the x values. So this is the region x is greater than 2. If we look to the left, all of the x values are less than 2. So to the left of the line we have the region x is less than 2. So the line x equals 2 splits the plane into 3 regions. The line itself is x is equal to 2. To the right of the line is x is greater than 2, and to the left of the line is x is less than 2.